Hmm?
What is a vision board?
Where did you hear it?
Many celebrities have been posting videos about it. I've been seeing it all around YouTube.
You want to learn what that is?
Yes.
Can we make a video on this? I'll teach you.
Oh, of course.
Why are we writing? Let's get started. Hey guys! Welcome back to our channel Gold Mage. I'm Priya, she's Diya, and we are really excited to see you here one more time.
So, Amma, what is manifestation? I've been seeing many YouTubers like Lily Singh, Oprah making videos about it.
Yeah, Diya. Today if you open YouTube and you want to see a motivational video, you'll definitely come across this word. See, manifestation, if you ask me, how do I say that? In a very simple way, it's your ability to get what you want in life. Let me ask you this. What do you want in life? What are your dreams?
Okay. So, of course, I want to live in a mansion.
Mansion! Okay.
I want to travel to Europe.
You want to travel to Europe. Okay, just Europe or the entire world?
We can also say the entire world.
You like traveling, is it?
Yes, I love traveling.
I love traveling. Wonderful. Then?
And I want to start my own business at a very young age like this.
Yes, so we have started this YouTube channel. Hope this becomes a good business. Okay, yes.
And I want to be intelligent.
So that's like a lifetime goal. Always.
Yeah.
You don't want to be intelligent this year and fool next year, okay?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.
So yes, okay, fine. So all of us, like how you said right now, all of us have dreams that we want to travel the world, we want to live in bigger mansions, maybe you want to be rich, you said you want to be a businesswoman. See, all this is like the collective thing, okay? So what we'll do is, let me explain you what a vision board is. It is said, and so many people have achieved like big in their life, maybe saints, millionaires, billionaires, top business people, intelligent people say this. What you can see in your mind can happen in reality. Let me give you a simple example here. We see aeroplane.
Yeah.
Someone envisioned it in their minds with wings and today it's a reality.
Yeah.
So similarly, what they say is whatever goals and dreams you have in your life, if you can just see it in your mind, visualize it in your mind, it can happen. Now, how do we visualize it? That's where we take the help of a vision board. So it's nothing but a simple board where you put all your dreams and goals, what you exactly want to achieve, you put it in the form of a picture and then we, just start from there. So did you get what's manifestation now?
Yes.
Okay. So can we build a vision board for yourself?
Yes.
Okay. So before that, let me give you a simple example. Like why vision board? Because there are so many people who accomplish things even without a vision board. So I'll tell you why and how this can be useful. Imagine there's a supermarket. So many things are available in the supermarket, right?
Yeah.
But unless you have a shopping list with you, you won't be buying anything productive, right? You will go around the supermarket, but if you don't know what you want, you will never get even one single item. So what's the most important thing in life? You must know what you want. So the vision board helps you to basically put out what you really want from life. And then you can focus on those areas. Is it becoming too complicated or simple for you?
It's becoming simple only.
Simple only?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's not look at long term. Let's look at something short term. Maybe this is what? May 2021? So maybe May 2023. Before that, what do you want to achieve? Just give me a list. Maybe we'll put that in vision board. So tell me, within the next 2 years, what are the things, what are the dreams that you want to realize or, you want it to happen?
We should reach 10,000 subscribers, that's for sure.
10,000?
Yeah.
Good.
Or
Okay.
100,000.
Okay, just be concrete. 10,000, 100,000 is a good dream, right? Let's at least like vision. It's a vision. So have it big and bold. Okay? So nothing wrong in expecting.
We should have been moving to a new house.
You want to move to a new house?
Yeah.
Like, you like this house?
Yes, I love it, but you could get a prettier and a bigger house,
You want a prettier and a bigger house?
Yeah.
Okay. Point taken. Yeah.
And we should travel to Europe.
Yeah. So Europe is there in your bucket list. So you're saying that before May 2023, you want to go for a Europe trip.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, then one more. Anything personally for yourself?
I should improve my drawing skills.
You want to improve your drawing skills?
Yes.
Okay.
Want to start drawing really realistic,
You want to do it very realistic?
Yes.
Okay, so that's a good goal. Wonderful. Then anything else to finally add? Maybe we should be more happy.
COVID should be over.
Yes, dude. COVID should be over. Yeah.
Or else
So that's
you
a good vision. May 2023, the world is like, a better place. And yes, if we have to travel to Europe before May 2023, practically COVID should get over. Yes. Okay.
And if COVID never existed, we could have traveled to at least 2-3 countries.
By now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I know. So yeah. So these are your major things, right? So, okay. So what we are going to do right now is, I'm going to help you out. You're going to build a vision board for yourself. So you'll go choose nice pictures from the internet, which resonates with your dream, whatever you have in your mind, just put it on paper. So can we go and build your vision board?
Yes.
Okay.
20 minutes later.
So Diya, looks like your vision board is ready. So quickly explain to us, what have you done?
Okay. So this picture means that I want to get a new house. I really hope this comes true.
It will. Very nice. Okay.
I have to reach success, like I should get better at drawing, better at studies, better at trading, better at riding. Like a lot of success.
Wonderful.
These 2 pictures mean I should become famous. Like I should be in your recommendations.
Oh, you're saying YouTube should recommend your content to others.
Yes. And I should get more positive. And we should start making more money.
Wonderful.
In that money, we can get a new house.
Okay.
This picture means that we have to reach at least 1 million subscribers or at least 100,000.
Wonderful. Yeah, we will. 2 years we have. If we consistently put video, it's a doable goal. Yes.
Okay, so these 2 pictures mean I should travel around Europe and I should stay there for like 2 weeks or 2 months.
Okay, one question. What is that key?
It's the key to unlock all of my dreams.
Wow, that's sweet. Okay, wonderful. Okay, let me ask you this before I wind up the video. Do you think just because you put everything on a board, this will come true?
No, I don't think so.
So, then why you did this?
We should work hard for this.
Okay. So what we're trying to say is in a very simple way that just because you put a vision board doesn't mean all your vision will come true. You have to work towards it. But because you have put it physically on a board where you can see, maybe right now whenever you open your laptop or your phone, you will see this right there. So even if you're lazing around, maybe if we are not getting motivation to do our next video, I think I'm moving the camera so badly. Fine. So even if we are not, getting motivation to do our next video, this picture will remind us that, hey, you want that gold button, you want that 100,000 subscribers, which means go ahead and do it. You get what I'm saying?
Yes.
So wonderful, good effort. I enjoyed this vision board creation of yours. So did you like it, Diya?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope all of you who watched this video enjoyed it. I think you should come near the frame. So maybe quite closer. Yes. So before we say bye to everybody. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Then definitely subscribe to our channel because that's there in our vision board right now. So we need more subscribers. And if you think this is a useful video, share it to people and do let us know if you enjoyed the video in the comments. So anything else you want to say to them, Diya?
Yes,
Do you think they should build their vision boards?
Yes, but just because you build a vision board doesn't mean it will come true. You have to work hard for this.
So you're willing to work hard?
And also enjoyed making the vision board.
You enjoyed making it?
Yes.
Wonderful. Okay then, we'll see you soon in another video. Until then, take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.